Resort in Nassau. It's the 2023 Bahamas Championship on CBS Sports Network as the Providence Friars take on the Georgia Bulldogs.
It's just another battle, and we got more than enough. More than enough. More than enough. All right, let's go.
Hopkins IDs the mismatch, knocks over Thomason, and puts it in off the glass.
All right, we get stops, we can run it down their throat.
First foul on Hopkins, another takeaway. Carter racing to the cup and he lays it in. Hopkins explodes and powers it through. A long rebound out to Devin Carter. He's got his eyes on the rim again and scores. Oduro lets it fly. Yes, sir. Carter. Oduro's there to flush it back. Feeds Castro, and he powers it down. Slashes. Hopkins with 5. Corey Floyd Jr. for the lead. It's good. Off the side of the glass. He saves it in right to Oduro. Shot clock didn't reset. Corey Floyd Jr. 5 to shoot. Dishes out. Carter. Deep 3. Got it.
High arcing 3, too.
The Friars down the Bulldogs.
The buy-in was felt. Some big-time plays. You guys showed tremendous fight, no matter the circumstances. That's just how we like it.